I've just acquired a plastic welder, which is a trade flame product. Came in a kit. Unfortunately, you buy the plastic kit, but then you have to buy a separate torch thing to go with it, which both came from Bunnings, but I had to go to two different Bunnings because one had the torch and the other one had the actual butane bottle that it fits to. So yeah, it came to about just under 100, I think, from memory. This is the actual torch. It's got the plastic welder part fitted on the top. It's hard to sort of tell whether it's actually ignited. You press it down, eventually you'll see the glow in this little hole in the side. It also has this piece here which locks it on, so we'll keep going. Now, what I've got here is a plastic mudguard. It came off a little bike that I swapped another bike for. The other bike had electrical problems and it wasn't charging, and I wasn't real keen on chasing electrical problems to fix that, and this was going and registered. It just needs a bit of tidying up. Anyway, from what I can tell, given the knowledge that, or the information they've given me, this plastic is called an ABS. Now what I've done, just here, is this piece was actually broken right off, and I went round with the pointy bit and just ran right through the crack, so until it's almost through to the other side, and that actually tacked it in place on it. And you can see just here where I run the point through the gap. What I've done is you also get supplied with this mesh, so I'll cut a little piece to fit on it. I did the same, that's what you can see there. I've melted the mesh into the plastic, so I'll continue that again just on this spot. It takes a while for the iron to heat up to the temperature you want. And you just put a little bit of pressure on it. You don't put too much pressure because otherwise you're going to bend the plastic out of shape. And I'm breathing the fumes here. I really should have the roller door open, but anyway, I've got a window open. Just blow it away a bit. Just try and try to not breathe the fumes. Okay, you can see I've melted the mesh into the plastic, and now it becomes tricky because I need two hands. So, because I don't have a stand or anything to hold this, I won't actually be able to show you. Maybe this is going to get annoying actually if you just down on the floor. I'm still not going to be able to do it. Okay, I'll have this filler rod. ABS, and what I'm going to do is feed it through this hole that's in here.
one-handed. Yeah, doing this one-handed, working that well. Maybe I can just smooth it over. This would be a whole lot easier with if I had two hands. Which you're actually supposed to feed the stuff through the hole, but and you just smooth it over. I'm gonna have to get myself a tripod or something to hold this phone. And you get just what I gotta do this with two hands to finish it. But yeah, appears to be working quite well. I'm quite happy with this. Excuse me. Yeah. One of these lugs is broken right off completely. So what I'm going to have to do is actually put a piece of metal in there, held it on some rivets or bolts or something, and with old plastics and fiberglass for this matter, you never put a bolt straight into plastic. You always have a dowel. And the dowel has a lip on it, so that when you tighten the bolt up, it doesn't crush the plastic. And this is also the case with fiberglass. If you just put a bolt straight through fiberglass and do it up, it'll crush, but you won't be able to get it tight enough to stop the bolt coming undone without crushing the fiberglass or the plastic. So yeah, that's why they use dowels. Okay, bye.